So this is just a quick experiment. We're gonna see what it sounds like when you remove the baffle. I'm not gonna keep it like this. I just want to see this. I just want to hear the difference in the sound. Okay, so first thing I notice is your bike gets super hot quick. Yeah, I'm putting it back on, but it was cool to just hear how it sounds, especially when I get my exhaust. I'm excited. Otherwise, hope you enjoy it. See you at the next one.